Sound setup. Original Bluetooth mode. Please check before setting the sound. If the original vehicle has fiber optic cable, please remove it from the original connector to the new one. Return to the main page of the new system and select Setup. Select System. Please turn on the Use Cars BD channel option. Switch back to the multimedia page of the OEM system. Search and connect to your phone's Bluetooth. After the Bluetooth connection is successful, click anywhere on the screen to return to the new system and enjoy the music on CarPlay. Troubleshooting. Warm reminder. The Mercedes OEM Bluetooth sound mode only supports CarPlay and Android Auto. If you are using screen mirroring or USB to play music or videos, please use Bluetooth transmitter sound mode.